Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today I'll be making a Mother's Day card. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today I'll be using this die from Sizzix, and I have already cut it and colored it. And then I'll be using some of the pattern papers for the background. Then I'm using this A2 size card for the base. Then let's have fun and start doing it. I'm now cutting the size of 5.5 by the size is it is 3.5, and the other layer I'm using 5.5 by 2.5, and the small piece of pattern paper is about 1/2 inch size. So I'm going to adhere all those things together. So if you have not subscribed my channel, or if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and you can also click on the bell button and make sure the notification is on, so you can get my new videos as I post it. So here I'm adhering all the layers, and then I'm going to see where I can keep the flowers. Now I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I'm using archival ink for the stamping. Now that it's all ready, I'm going to put all together. It's a simple project. You can use any flowers, any pattern paper, and you can make a beautiful card for the Mother's Day or for any occasion. I'm going to put the foam, double-sided foam tape. Then I'm going to add the sequins on the top. So this finishes my card. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and the notification on. That'll help a lot, and even the other artists. Please encourage by subscribing it. I will see you in my next video with a new project. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.